Hey guys, it's Bill from Linden, Tennessee. It's hot outside. It's so very hot outside. So I'm inside doing what I can with the Volkswagen today. Got my Tour de France on. Went ahead and got a subscription to Peacock so I can watch it. I do enjoy cycling. I don't do it as much as I would like to. I don't do it at all. I would like to do it more. Anyway, I digress. I got me a 10 kilowatt Tesla Model S/X charger here. I got a whole bunch of circuit boards from Open Inverter, evbmw.org, I think. But Damien McGuire is the guy that sort of did this. I would say I'm acquainted with Damien McGuire. I don't think I've ever actually met him in person, but in my days at EVTV, he's over in England, and he was instrumental in reverse engineering lots and lots of Tesla stuff. The charger, of course, but he also, I believe, was part of the crew that were the first to reverse engineer a Tesla drive unit, and we subsequently used the drive unit in the Doka. So check out Smoke-a-Doka if you want to see how that worked. But anyway, this is his control board for this charger, and this seal says right here, void warranty if broken. I guess that means the warranty is broken. Tesla's not going to help me at all now. That's a bummer. So let's pop this thing open and see what it looks like. All right, well, looks like that's the part I'm going to be replacing. That part. And from what I understand, I bought some connectors. I bought a connector for this one, and some data connectors for that and that. There's some solder in. It's a 20 pin solder in. This one is going to go, well, I assume it's going to go, I don't know, maybe it'll make itself obvious when I start messing with this, but yeah, that one is going to go up here somewhere. I've never soldered anything that small before, so I bought myself a little soldering kit off of Amazon, and it's got like a magnifying glass and adjustable temperature settings. This is all new to me, but I'm definitely going to be reaching out to some folks for help, because I'm in over my head on this stuff, I'm afraid. I'm not really very good with electronics, but this is it. And got to do that. And then this is a Wi-Fi module that I suppose some of these pins solder into this part, and then that part is a shield perhaps for that, and then that goes on this somehow. I don't know. We're gonna find out. But all right, this is part one of this, I suppose. So if you do know anything, please feel free to reach out to me. Send me a comment down below, and we'll get in contact, and I would be thrilled for any input on this at all. There's also the programming to this thing. The Open Inverter said to get one of these little dudes. This is like I don't even know what this is, some sort of a little dongle that I guess got a USB on there, and then it's got a little connector there. I don't really know what this does either, but yeah, so I'm going to be all ears for anybody who can help me with this stuff. But thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.